Ready? 3, 2, 1. You know the expression "sleep with the fishes"? Well, in Dubai, it means something a little bit different. What up, friend? So we are in the Poseidon Suite. It's one of 2 underwater suites at Atlantis, the Palm. So as soon as you enter the main door, you come to like the 2nd floor area where you've got views of the lagoon. That's the Lost Chambers Aquarium. You can already see fish and stuff over there. Really classy, chic interior. The other room you can either go by the elevator or the stairs. I'm gonna take the stairs. We've got views of the lagoon from the top, so you can see some fish. And this is kind of the main lounge area. And check out this view, which is this. So if you want to go diving or snorkeling, you actually go from over there. That's where they have the diving instructors and all the equipment and stuff like that, and that's where you dive in. So the first floor also has its own kitchen. Okay, lift door opens. If you have kids and for some reason they get bored of the fish, in which case discipline is in order. It's got like a TV room. The prices of this room start at 20,000 dirhams, and with that you get a whole host of things. Like, it's not just the 3 floors and the insane views from the underwater rooms, which is the main bedroom and the bathroom, and sitting on your bed or in the tub and looking at 65,000 different fishes swimming past your window. You can actually sleep while stingrays glide past you. Animal conservationists out there can sleep soundly. I did an interview with the shark man Mike when he visited Atlantis Palm. He's one of the few people on earth who free dives with great white sharks. And he visited Atlantis Palm. So he dove into the aquarium to feed the sharks by hand. We asked him point blank, what do you think about a place like this? And he had nothing but good things to say about it.